Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I will show you how to replicate material changes in Unreal Engine. These material changes are synchronized across the server and all the connected clients. I will show you the clean and scalable approach that you can use in both indie and AAA level multiplayer games. So let's build this system from scratch. So currently I am in a default Unreal Engine template and I simply search for my default pawn class called BP 30% character. Open that file and first I create two variables. First variable name is to material and set it variable type to materials. Simply search for the materials and set to array. Now when I compile it, it gives me a plus icon. When I click on this plus icon, I have three indexes and I can simply put any my three materials here. You can put your materials you want to use. Now I select these materials that are provided from the Unreal Engine template, compile it, save it. Now after I made another variable called material index and set it types to integer and set its replication type to RepNotify, which is a clean and reliable way to replicate visual changes in multiplayer games. So compile it, save it. After that I make a custom event, add a custom event and set it names to server apply material and set its replication type to run on server because we are giving authority to the server. And I add an input called index, set it types to integer. Now I simply drag my material index, set material index and connect to the its index to the material index. Now compile it, save it. After that I open my onRep material index. On here I simply get my mesh and search for the set material node and then get my material array and search for the get a copy, connect to the material and then get a material index to and connect to the this index node. Now compile it, save it. We choose materials dynamically at the start of our project. So here are my three materials that we change on the runtime. Then go my event graph and I search for the one keyboard and connect to my server apply materials and set my index to 0. Then I search for the two keyboard and then simply copy this node and set my index to 1. Then search for the 3 keyboard and connect my server apply materials and set to 2. Because I have 3 indexes, so I can use these 3 indexes also on here. You can use your indexes, like if you have 4 or 5, just put copy this node and put an index number to here. Now I compile it, save it. Now I set my number of players to 2 and let mode play as a listen server. Now test this. Now you can see when I press my keyboard event, my materials are synchronized and also changes on the client side. And when I press the same input keyboard event on the client, like I press 1, my material changes on the server side are also. So my material is synchronized across server and client. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more engine content. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.